Hi everyone, welcome to the first ever episode of some behind the scenes footage of one of our renovations in progress. This one is near and dear to me because it's actually my own home. My husband and I recently purchased this house in South Surrey. We made the move from East Vancouver to gain more space for our family and actually be closer to some of our family out here as well. So some of the renovations that we're going to be doing to this house involve the main living area, the kitchen, our main bathroom, and then some refinishing in the bedrooms. One element that I'm super excited about is the vaulting of the ceiling in the main living space. So you'll get to see the whole process of that, how it really changes the space and opens things up. And we're just super excited to have you along for the progress. Welcome to my home. Moving into this part of the house, the configuration's actually not changing here. We're gonna be updating finishes in the laundry room and the bedrooms, keeping the configuration as is, and adding some organizers in the closets to better utilize the space. The main focus on this part of the house is this main bathroom. So as you can see, there is not currently a tub in here. So we're gonna be putting a tub back in and moving the toilet from right beside the shower. And that's to create more space here, specifically while bathing our young child and dog and whatever else you need to throw in the tub. It's just nice to have that toilet moved away. So we're standing in the main entrance of the home, and just to give you an idea of some of the work that's going to be happening here is this wall is going to be coming out, as well as these ones here, opening up the main living space into what will be the dining room. These walls will be coming out to open up the space, creating a bit of separation from the living room. This wall will remain, but the fireplace will be gone. These ceilings, as I mentioned before, will all be getting vaulted, so it'll create a ton of extra light coming in and a lot of headroom height as well. So the previous owners actually had this kitchen closed in. We are partway through demolition. We've busted through this wall to uncover what used to be the passway. Hello. And we're opening things right back up to make it a better layout and more functional layout for our family. So moving into the living room space here, the vault will continue through, and what that's going to do is bring in a lot of natural light to this area. These are south-facing windows, so you can imagine the amount of light that's going to pool through these on a sunny day. You can see that we're still finishing demo here, so on the next episode, we're going to start talking about the framing and engineering that gets involved in vaulting this ceiling, so stay tuned.